solve. Negative, the quotient 5x plus 2 over x plus 10 is equal to 1. This is a rational equation. The first thing that we want to make a note of is the values of x that are not allowed, which are those values that make the denominator 0. In other words, x cannot equal negative 10. Next, what we do is we multiply both sides by the x plus 10. Over here, we remove a factor of 1, x plus 10 over x plus 10, and we distribute the negative symbol, so we have negative sign, so we have negative 5x minus 2 equals x plus 10. Then we will add 2 to both sides, and we'll subtract x from both sides. Negative 6x equals positive 12. Divide both sides by negative 6, and we get the result x is equal to negative 2. You check that answer because it is allowed because it's not x equals negative 10. You check it by substituting it into the original equation, and you will find that it does in fact work, and therefore we have the correct answer. The solution is negative 2.